What's up, everybody? Paige here for VIP TV. If you've seen Pirates of the Caribbean, well, get excited because we're about to embark on a very similar type of adventure right here in our own backyard in Riviera Beach. In just a few moments, I'm going to board this beautiful Black Sparrow pirate ship with about 40 other passengers, or pirates, I should say. I hear they have a ton of fun things in store for us today, including a treasure hunt, which I'm really excited about. So as they say at sea, let's get sailing. Arrgh! We're here with Anne and Captain Trent with Black Sparrow Pirates. How you doing today?
I'm doing quite well, lass. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. What are we here for?
Well, you're here to have a pirate adventure, are you not? You're going to sail on the seas and find some treasure.
Well, before we board the Black Sparrow for this personalized pirate experience, talk to us about the preparation that goes into this. What's going on behind you?
We're getting the children ready to be true pirates. We're giving them a pirate name. They're signing the flag and they're getting their face painted or tattooed, whichever they like. That way when they go out, they'll have sashes, swords, the whole 9 yards, and ready to go.
Full transformation.
A full transformation.
All right, let's do this.
Hi, would you be the opposite side of your face?
Well, we just disembarked the Black Sparrow. It was a fantastic experience full of interaction with children and families. We found treasure, we shot cannons, we learned a lot of pirate language. To book your reservation, log on to blacksparrowpirates.com. For VIP TV, I'm Paige Bresky. See you next time.